How to fix TikTok followers too frequently error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this. For this, launch open your device settings, then find the option of connections, tap on that. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Here you want to check if you are connected to a secure network. If not, you can simply switch to data and then check. Next thing you want to do is head back over to your settings, tap on software update. Here you want to check if your software is updated. If it is not, then go ahead and update that. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now on your settings, you want to scroll down and find the option of apps. Here, a list of all the applications will be shown. Simply find TikTok from here. Once you have found it, select that. Now tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now tap on permissions. Here, find the location option. Now you want to make sure that location is not allowed. Go ahead and disable the location. Once that is done, you can simply restart your device and this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.